Hi, my name is Mohammed Nafil. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how we will be labeling the blood sample for the patient to maintain the accuracy and the safety standards. So watch till end, you will be guided step by step in this video.
Step 1. Precautions. Before beginning the procedure, always follow standard precautions. Sanitize your hands thoroughly, wear a fresh pair of gloves, and ensure that all equipment is sterile and ready for use. Step 2. Preparing the patient. Confirm the patient's identity using at least 2 identifiers such as their full name and date of birth. Explain the procedure to the patient to make them feel comfortable and informed. Step 3. Apply tourniquet. Place the tourniquet about 3 to 4 inches above the venipuncture site. This helps to make sure the vein is more prominent for blood collection. See, move to the next step. What is it? Step 4. Blood collection procedure. Clean the puncture site with alcohol swab in one direction. Insert the needle at the correct angle and collect the required volume of blood smoothly and safely. Next, one of the most important topics that is highlighted in this content, which is transferring to collection tube. Once the blood is drawn, release the tourniquet and carefully transfer the blood into the correct collection tube. Gently invert the tube if mixing is required, but do not shake it. Next is the most important topic, that is labeling and sample. Immediately label the tube at the patient's side. The label must include the patient's full name, unique identification number, date, and the time of collection. Initials of the phlebotomist is also very important. Never pre-label the tubes and never leave a sample unmarked. It's very important for a phlebotomist. 7. Verification process. Double check that the label information matches the test request form. Accuracy at this stage is critical to prevent errors in diagnosis or treatment. Finally, by following these steps carefully, from safety precautions to post-care, phlebotomist ensures patient safety, accurate results, and the highest standards of professional practice. Don't forget to follow these instructions carefully during your blood draw and labeling procedure.
Thank you for watching my video, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to follow me and subscribe my channel. You also can check on my other social media accounts like TikTok and Instagram for more helpful videos and demonstrations. Thank you and stay connected.